In this demo, we will see an example of a query using the fuzzy domain search modifier. We look for suspicious domains in which attackers take advantage of a small keyboard error. In this example, we are looking for domains that look like google.com, but are not under the legitimate domain google.com, with the last update after January 1st, 2020, and with more than one detection. We have 142 results. Let's see this second one for an example. google.com. Some engines classify it directly as phishing. If we go to Relationships and go to Graphs to see relationships more visually, we found that the domain is related to other malicious files and domains. No, it doesn't seem like anything good.